Good morning everybody, welcome back to this new update on Luna Classic. We'll talk about all of the technicals. I'll tell you why I expect Luna Classic to rally soon. But first of all, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. If you want to receive daily trading signals, myself, I'm a full-time crypto trader, profitable as well, which is, pretty necessary if you have a signal group. If you want to join that, check out the links down in the description. As you can also see from the top right there are some other perks as well. So check that out. But in this video, we'll focus on Luna Classic, which is a crypto. Most of you know me already. Most of you know that I cover Luna Classic quite a lot. Most of you know that I'm not necessarily bullish or bearish on Luna Classic on the long term, but I will call it out if on the short term I expect bullish momentum, and that is what I expect now. If you purely take a look at the technicals at this point of time, you would say, well, we're still very, very bearish, right? And that's true. This trend line is also, it doesn't work too well. It would say that we have broken above that right now, but overall, you can see that the downtrend still is very much on. If you delete that trend line, however, we are pretty close to a bullish breakout right now, and I think there are some fundamental reasons why we can actually get that bullish breakout. But yeah, that's kind of what I'll make the argument for in this video. Personally, and I also talked about that earlier, personally, I think it's better to, or at least personally, I'm waiting for this level to hit, around 7,500. I think that is a beautiful level to go long from or to buy from. It's a strong technical level. It's a strong psychological level. So that's the level I'm waiting for, or I'm waiting for a big bullish breakout. But a bullish breakout right now is pretty difficult because the resistance level which we are struggling with is this level around 8,450, which is always what I name the prices as, basically these last 4 digits. That's our main resistance right now, but then just above there at around 1800 or 8,550, excuse me, there's also resistance. So in general, we should get a pretty big bullish breakout before I would consider going long. And even then, the market circumstances right now are quite unstable in general. So even then, it could just be a fake out. So personally, that's the level I'm waiting for. But there's definitely a possibility to rally from here as well. Now, the main reason why I expect a rally is for 2 reasons. First of all, we had some great proposals lately with the upgrade, which was, that was a month ago. But with the joint L1 task force about a week ago. And then apart from that, also the USDT stable algo quant team, which was passed 8 days ago as well, which barely passed, but that's great news. Any news about the USDT repack is great news in my eyes. The burn tax is doing pretty well as well, but I'm not going to take a look at that in every video. So right now, the thing is that it does look like we have found some significant support. So right now, the general idea I have for Luna Classic is that we're kind of stuck in this area. And what we'll do at this area will determine what will happen next. And to be fair, I'm not too sure which one of these 2 scenarios is more likely. But basically, we can either have a bullish breakout right now above 8,500. We'll find some resistance at 8,800, but then we'll take a bullish break retest and rally up to these levels around 9,000 and 9,100. Would be ideal if you just bought Luna Classic, obviously. This is one scenario. Or we get another bearish breakout below 8,200, which is our support right now, and then we'll probably drop down all the way to 7,500. So yes, my prediction so far is it can go up or down, even though I did give you some levels, which if they break, you can anticipate on that. So it's not useless yet, but I will tell you what I think the most likely scenario is. I think in general, even though I would like it to drop down to 7,500, I think in general we have actually found some stability at these levels, which has historically also been a very stable level. And we're just bound to get some bullish momentum soon, whether it's from the markets or whether it's from something fundamentally intrinsic to Luna Classic. I think this is more likely. But like I said, I'll be waiting for the drop down. If that doesn't come, then oh well, I didn't really miss anything. If it does come, then you know what I'm doing. But that's my take on Luna Classic for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.